What's up, everybody? This is Jacob Rubel and Bubba Thomas with 12 Volt Customs. We just want to show you guys our 18 volt battery pack upgrade and the difference that it makes. So right now we have the stock Power Wheels 12 volt battery in the Jeep, and we're just going to show you guys what it does, how easy it is to swap over to our deal, and then the difference that it makes. So, all right, Ron, go. Go back that way. Alright, so real quick, this is how easy it is to swap it out. Pop the hood. Unplug your stock battery. Take it out. Put our battery pack in. And it will plug right up. Oh, I shoved the plug down in there. It will plug right up to the factory wiring harness. Just like so. Close the hood. Alright, Ron, take off. Go.